everyone, Fluffy here, back with another mukbang. What I have for you today is oven fried chicken. And my daughter is using a recipe, and you will have seen all the stills. She did stills. I don't know how many she did this time. And one of the stills would have been the recipe. So she used the country style portion. At the bottom, there's two different ones. So she did the country style. So be sure to look at that. Trying to do what y'all ask about wanting a recipe. So what we have here is the oven baked chicken and glazed carrots, and all she did was a butter and brown sugar. And buttered potatoes, and it's butter, salt and pepper, parsley, lots of butter, and she baked it in the oven, I think. Oh, tastes like she baked them. It's really good. And then I have iced tea, which I gotta be real careful because it's sitting on the laptop. I have room for it anywhere else. Oh, so how have y'all been? Excuse my hair. Her daughter had given me some stuff that's supposed to make my curls not so ugh. But look how thin my hair is now these days, y'all. Look at that. It's disgusting. That's why I usually keep it up. It is still a little damp, so anyway, there it is. Just got out of the tub, so if I'm breathing heavy, that's why. Showering is worse, but getting in the bathtub because I had to bathe wears me out. I usually don't do much after, but I'm gonna let you film. I'm gonna get this done. Well, we have this TV tray, and at the old house, we had like 6, and we used like all 6 because the way me and the ex sat, I sat on the couch, she sat in a recliner, and there was a end table like everybody has in between us. Well, it was so full of crap that we each had another TV tray for some more stuff. That's 2. And then we each had one that we ate off of. That's 4. Then my daughter sat on the love seat, and she had one that's 5. So my daughter has an aversion to TV trays. So we were supposed to take at least 4 of them, but only 1 made it here. I think that was strategic on her part. And she hates this one because it stays up all the time, but we share it because we bump our laptops. I don't have a lap. So, but times like this, she doesn't have a TV tray to eat from. If you hear noises, that's her. Oh my God. I did a close-up. And I'll put it in right here. That close-up of the chicken though, right? Now, if you hear that noise, it's her getting her stuff together. I think she did a little too much. She's limping a little bit more. This tea is awesome, kid. Crystal made 2 different types because she likes green tea, and I think green tea is gross. I know it's supposed to be good for you, but it's gross. So, yeah. She loves coffee. She doesn't drink black coffee. She doesn't do tea. Says it's too bitter. What? Pretty crunchy for in the oven. On Sunday, unless something dramatic happens, Sarge will be coming over and we will be doing a mukbang for my channel. And I know that I said that it probably wouldn't happen until January because our money's funny. But my daughter came up with a recipe that we do have all the ingredients on. It's going to surprise you what it is. And she can't wait. She was a little disappointed that I didn't say have her come over today, but we need to defer before Sarge comes over and unhospitalize the couch area. On the potatoes, butter, parsley, salt and pepper, onion and garlic, or just onion? Onion and garlic. Oh, it tasted like garlic. You know, I know you like the editing I've been doing. I'm glad. I don't ever edit out mistakes as far as that goes. If I flash a boob, I'm going to edit it out. If I say names I shouldn't, I'm going to edit it out. Got me dropping stuff, that's me. You know what I mean? Me stumbling on my words, the fog when it gets bad. That's who I am. And that's what I want to show you, what a person with a chronic illness is like. Our ups, our downs. I don't want to do too many downs. If I feel really bad, really bad, I won't film. But so I don't edit those out. But things like the pictures and stuff I did, I'm trying. I mean, I'm low rent, but I can be a high class low rent, right? Fancy low rent. But I know with the editor, I was thinking that too many edits, it'll take longer to get up. But that last one, it surprised me. Although it wasn't as long as the other ones, but then I'm thinking, well, the mailbox one wasn't long and it took forever. So I don't know what the difference is. But I'm thinking since it's filming so late, because it's 4:19 now, I'm eating the vegetables and I'm not even hardly touching this chicken. What the hell is wrong with me? Okay, I'm taking the skin out of it. You like that? It's crunching in my head. It's so good. We have never soaked our chicken in buttermilk. We've never had it. I know on Food Network, the country fried chicken always had it. So, we don't like buttermilk. We've never done buttermilk. Buttermilk's never been in this house. So, we did the cheaty thing of putting wheat. You know who cooked. She put vinegar and milk, and that makes buttermilk. And so she did that. It's really juicy doing that. It sure was a pain in the butt extra step. She wanted to go by the recipe because y'all want a recipe. Ice moist. Oh, it's really funny. One of our trips to Aldi's, I can't remember. I might have done a haul on it and showed y'all, but I found at Aldi, rub sage, one of the places. I'm sure it's Aldi because we don't go to too many places. Which now that I'm poor. But I found rub sage, and I've always wanted rub sage. And my daughter's like, okay, Mom. I don't really think we need it, but okay. Ask me what one of the ingredients are in here. Sage. Well, I've had fried chicken in ever. All right, Boo Boo. I might be giving them snacks. I thought I had another piece. Here it is. Sheba. See if I can get her close so you can at least see one of them. There you go. Good girl being gentle. And last but not least, Miss Molly. There you go. Okay, it's chicken. Yep. We'll give you your treats later. I'll give them some more later. Mmm. We've been binging on Stranger Things. We're back to season 2. Episode 7, which means it's almost over, right? There were only 9. It's like, why can't you be one of those seasons that there's 21 episodes? Sorry, I'm not talking much. I got chicken in my mouth. Well, not the second, but you know what I mean. Oh, carrots are just the right. You put just the right amount of brown sugar in there. Not too sweet, but good. You can still taste the carrot. What do I do? My daughter's doing this to me, and I have no idea what she means. There's a snapshot of me. Yeah, I did it. I don't know what you're telling me. Can it wait? Oh, okay. Thank you. I know, the potatoes, I can't get over it. These potatoes were inspired by my little sister. She would make them a lot at family gatherings. They're easy to do, but then of course my daughter puts her own tweak on it. But they're really good. Look, I'm peeling this. Let me eat this again. Oh wow. Almost as loud as James Lee's chicken in the beginning of his videos. See, he and Fuse in the Road had the really cutest beginnings. I wish I knew how to do that. I'll get there maybe. I won't do it exactly like them. I'll be inspired by them. I'm not a copycat. If I am, I'll tell you I'm a copycat. That's so good, kid. I can taste that sage. It's the perfect amount. Whoever came up with that recipe. It's just underneath there. It's not sagey like a turkey or dressing or even breakfast sausage. But it's right there like that. You're like, what is that? If you're not familiar with sage. I don't know if I use my hands for these chicken, right? I'm not a lefty, it's just... Go see her. What do you have on the tip of your nose? Look at him. What the hell is that? Well, he's coming to see you. I don't know if it's my close-up of this that somebody's commenting on or my previous one. Keisha says, can you do that Reuben sub from Subway? Girl, I'd love to, but until our financial situation improves, there's no eating out for us unless my mom pays, and I'm not going to ask her for money to do Subway. But I've said it out loud so my daughter can keep it in her mind on the list of requests. I've been jonesing for Subway. Well, if that Reuben has sauerkraut on it, I won't do that. I'll have to ask for no sauerkraut. But as soon as my daughter starts back to work and we catch up a little bit on the bills, I promise I'll do a Subway. I know some of y'all are saying in the comments that you want to send me cards and stuff. Please, 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 if you do not want me to share it on a Fluffy's mailbox, please write private on the outside. If I don't see private on there, I'm going to put it in a mailbox video because I'm excited when y'all send me cards and stuff. So, and I want to shout y'all out about it and give you a special thank you on camera. So, if you've already sent me something and you think it got here already, because I haven't checked my mailbox, excuse me, since I did the last one, please let me know. They only hold mail for 7 days. Or send me an email, fluffyhatesfibro@gmail, or on my channel there's an about button. Push that button. Somewhere on that page it'll say message, private message, something. You can let me know there if you don't have access to email. It'll tell me, hey, that should be there already. Please don't share it on your channel, and I won't. But just you've got to communicate. I'm always nervous when people say they send me something, because I had one viewer, and she's not my subby anymore, which she's, got to do what she's got to do. She sent me a package and it got sent back. And I kept telling people, please tell me. If you don't want to tell me it's a package, just tell me to go pick up something. You know what I mean? But I'm going to share it if you don't tell me private. So if you sent it to me before this video and you want it private, please let me know. Now, if you change your mind and don't want to send it, I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. Wow. She was hungry. Yeah, did I tell you my dad came to see us on Thanksgiving? Yeah. I was sitting there at dinner in one room and there's 3 paintings on the wall, pictures on the wall. Everybody's real quiet, snarking down their food, nobody's moving around. And the picture fell and broke. Picture closest to my mother. Up. First thing I said was, yep, Dad's here. Everybody's, yep, Grandpa's here. And like 2 minutes after that, I saw a butterfly hovering over the swimming pool in the backyard. Chickens did you give me? Down to 1. I think I've only eaten 1 chicken? Ask me, how many chickens do you think you can eat? I said, I don't know. Does that gross you out, the chicken bones? I know all the mukbangers try to move it away out of the sight, but I don't have anything. So apologize if that grossed you out. But chickens have bones, and what are you gonna do? That's a eaten chicken bone. You know it's good when I'm not drinking a lot and it's not spicy, so. Alright, Joe, I'm gonna click at this. I love the skin, but I think I'm going to save it for the dogs. I might change my mind once we're off camera, but right now my intentions are good. I'm going to get down to this meat. I'm going to show you a close-up of it. It looks wide enough to be breast, but it's thighs. My favorite is dark meat. We like deep fried chicken, and her baking it really has nothing to do with trying to lose weight. Oh, chicken. I saved it though. She didn't want to have to mess with the oil, and it would have meant her standing up longer, so this way she could throw it in the oven and then get off that foot for a little while. Works for me, I'm easy. Shh, I don't tell everybody that. But ended up being healthier because she baked it, so it's a win-win situation. She's got up right now. I wasn't sure if we were gonna do it today. I thought I might have had to film me making breakfast for dinner because she's been doing laundry. And it still hurts her if she tries to pivot, you know, tries to pivot. So she has to go full on and then turn in a full on. And I guess it was feeling pretty good, so she forgot not to pivot, and she pivoted. And a couple of times I saw, ow! I'm like, what happened? My foot! I'm like, knock it off. She's like, I'm not doing it on purpose. I guess I could show you a potato cook. I just knocked those carrots down, so I didn't even show you a close-up of them, but you saw the close-up in the video. It's kind of bright in here. Well, it's not bright, but because it's dark, it's kind of washed in the close-up. It looks better from a distance. I'm hitting the wall, y'all. I'm hitting a wall. She's pointing like, there's some more. My brain and my tongue want more, but my gut's saying, hold up. I guess if I have to look on the bright side of everything, and I do try, I guess the bright side of having this hernia is that ever since, remember, I felt that pop in my belly button. I can't eat too much in one sitting. I guess it's kind of bad for a mukbanger. But if I don't stop, I'll be miserable. You know, at the old house, I had a couple of those bad nights where I was miserable and couldn't sleep. But then that was before my belly button popped. I felt like I popped. So, I guess hernias can get worse. But I don't have any problems since I've been losing a little weight of it coming out. I mean, it'll come out a little bit because, like, when we'll eat at a restaurant, I have to sit so close to the steering wheel because of my short legs. When I get back in, the belly button's hitting the steering wheel, and I feel the steering wheel push it in, kind of, and it hurts a little bit, but I ate 3 pieces of fried chicken, a whole wad of potatoes, and a whole pile of carrots in 27 minutes, 45 seconds. Damn. And I'm telling, look at this hair, y'all, it's just disgusting. It's so thin, look. It's just terrible. I used to have big hair. I don't know where my photographs are, but I do have photographic evidence. I used to have Charlie's Angels, the original. I used to have their hair. Jacqueline Smith. Same hairstyle, too. It'd still be the same hairstyle now if it were thicker. That's why I said, well, I'll wear a wig, but I think y'all would notice. The whole idea of a wig is so that it doesn't look like you have a wig, right? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and end this video since there's no more food left and y'all don't need to be hanging around looking at my chicken bones. Who's going to be ugly about that? Anyway, So I thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all. Positive vibes out to each and every one of you. Remember to always be kind. And I know I say it in every video, and it sounds like I'm just saying words, but I'm not. Remember to always be kind. Always be kind. And I will talk to y'all real soon. See you on Sunday. Bye.